How we doing, guys? My name is Noah here from Russ Darrow Mazda, located in Greenfield, Wisconsin. And today I just wanted to walk everybody through some of our amazing incentives and offers that are currently taking place. So here's our beautiful website. And if you click those top crossbars up in that top right corner, it's gonna drop down and we're gonna go all the way to our shopping tools. And from the shopping tools, we'll go down to our special offers. Here in the special offers, you can see the filter at the bottom will give us an awesome list of all of our different models and options. In this particular situation, we're going to look at our CX-5s, and down here in our CX-5s, you can see the 2025 models already have some amazing lease offers and incentives taking place. And then down below here, we can see our 2024 CX-5 models have some awesome lease offers as well, 0% financing for 36 and tons more of incentives with them. And whether you're shopping between our CX-5, our CX-30, our CX-50, or any of our Mazda models here in our lots, we have amazing options as far as incentives for leases, finances, and just incentives in general. But nonetheless, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call here at Russ Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, Wisconsin at 414-329-5800. But I hope to see you guys here in the lot. Take advantage of some of these offers, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day as well. Bye-bye.